Hi, Lake Havasu City. This is Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team with your Ho 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 Christmas 2025 real estate market update for Lake Havasu City. It's December 2025. I'm almost sweating right now. It's about 75 degrees. I'm sitting on the deck here in Parker down at Dock Holiday at Arizona Shores, a famous little vacation rental motel that's been here since 1951, and Julie and I have ran for the last couple years, and now we're selling. So at the end of the video, if you want to learn a little bit about Dock Holiday at Arizona Shores, I'll have a link down in the description. You can see if it's something you'd like to look into. But it's a beautiful location on the water here in Parker, and that's basically Lake Muvaya. It's not even hardly like a river down at this end of the river, down to the Parker Strip, so I think you'll love it. But let's get to the numbers for the Lake Havasu real estate market. So in November 2025, we had 93 single-family residential homes sell in Lake Havasu City. Those are existing. That's up from 81 last year in November of 2024. Of those 93, 9 sold over $1 million. 16 additional above the 93 were condo and townhomes, and 12 additional were manufactured. So it was actually well over 100 homes that sold last month. Active as of today, in December, it's 494 active, and that's a welcome number because we've been trending over 500 and being under 500. That puts us at just over a 5-month supply. Pending as of today, there's 90 homes pending in Lake Havasu City. The exciting part for buyers, our interest rates have been trending down. We've seen some FHA. I'm not a mortgage broker, but I have several I can refer you to. But we've seen some FHAs under 6% recently, and conventionals in the 6s. So getting to some pretty darn good rates. And prices are way down, actually. The median sales price in November 2025 was $422,500. That means half of the homes that sold in Lake Havasu City last month were under $422,000. And that's down like 15.7% from last year when we were at 501,750. The average was the average sales price, when you take everything up and add them all up and divide by the total, was $538,511. That was also down 7.78% from $584,538. So no matter how you look at it, rates are down, prices are down. If you're waiting, we're close. Because there's still a housing shortage in the world, and we're getting that level where we're even feeling it in the office. People are starting to get excited where they're getting out. We've seen houses that would have sold well into the mid-5s sell in the 400s now, and that's a big drop. Days on the market, the average in November 2025 was 72 days on the market. The median, though, that again is the middle, which means half of the homes sold in less than the median, was 34 days. And what that tells you, if a home is priced right, the market still goes and it sells within a month. Sold price per square foot, $345. The median was $319, and that's pretty much where we've been seeing the last several years. So even though the averages are down and the median's down, sold price per square foot, not as much. There were 6 sales, though, last month under 325,000 or less. But of note, nothing was under 300,000. And the last several months, we've seen some homes sell under 300,000. From my point of view, it looks like 300 is that magic number where we're not going to see even the bottom level prices get much below that. It's like when they get to that level, they sell. The last thing I was going to tell you is I'm going to show you the most expensive and the least expensive home that sold in Lake Havasu City in November. We'll start with the least expensive. That was 829 Manor Drive. It was cute and clean, and the pictures looked great on MLS. It's 1,056 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage, and built in 1970, and it sold for $300,000. And there were 5 others that sold up to $325,000. So there's homes to be had in that lower $300,000. And of course, if I'm not even talking about condos and manufactured, where you can get in a lot less than that. The high sale course, in the Riviera, and it was 2556 Flatirons Lane. It's a Janicek build, brand new house. It sold for $3.3 million, 4 bedroom, 7 bath, 3,784 square feet, had a 60-foot double RV garage, and of course that's in the Riviera with the new marina. A fantastic place for sure. Well, again, this is Bobby and Julie Lewis with the Lewis team. The new year's coming up right around the corner, and we always say the best time to sell a home in Lake Havasu City is mid-January until May. It's just that's when the buyers are really here. It doesn't mean you can't sell all year long, and it's really this year shaping up to be a great time for the buyers too, because the prices are down 10 to 20%, I would say, on most homes from the high. You're already picking closer to the bottom than the top, and with rates down, what a time to get in. Well, and if you'd like to sell your home in the future, if you're a homeowner and you'd like to sell your home in the future, Julie and I put together market analysis all the time for homeowners, free of charge. Just go down in the comments and there'll be a section where you can request a free market analysis. We actually use our experience and the comps from the neighborhood and put together a full report that you'll love to have. It will mail it to you in the mail. We'll also email it to you if you like, and you get an instant valuation as soon as you put your address in, and we won't bug you with all kinds of spam or anything. We're not going to sell your email address. We're just going to send you a great report, and if you ever want to sell a home in Lake Havasu, you could reach out to us, and we'll give you our opinion and help you. No pressure, no obligation, just friendly. We try to do things right, and we hope to see you soon. We wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, whatever floats your boat, and season's greetings. Bobby Lewis, Lewis Team, Remax by the Lake. Have a great day.